Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 14th of July, Wednesday 2021, and I just finished my trading day, and I would like to show you how I help my traders through a live intraday analysis to bank amazing profit. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig straight to the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. EURUSD, if you look at the 4-hour chart, guys, as you can see here, from yesterday we were short, banked beautiful pips. This morning we also had the short trade here, guys, as you can see here, rejection. We had this breakout short trade, as you can see here. We had a short trade at the Asian session, beautiful, bank some profit. This morning we analyzed the situation. As you can see, this is the spinning top, and you can see here very strong, and you can see price develop a false breakout. That's the good sign, and that's what I explained to my trader. If the price is going to break this level, 118,000 level, then we should be taking a long trade here. So that's what exactly we did. Let me share with you how I analyze these moves on 4-hour in intraday and bank beautiful pips. If you look at the EURUSD, let me make it slightly bigger. This is the analysis from yesterday. As you can see here, as explained to my trader, look for the breakout short trade here. As you can see, in 4-hour, price nicely respected and this level, and then we had this breakout, which triangle pattern, which I just showed you. We had this breakout short trade. Look at the bottom, momentum was bearish. As soon as the price hit this support level, you can see here, and you can see here at the fib levels, and that's what we explained to trader. It's time to enjoying pipping, bank beautiful pips. This was the trade, beautiful pips. Last night we had it just before the Asian session, bank beautiful pips. All right, so this morning, and let me share with you, this morning we had this analysis. As always, our first priority, always look for the pullback. As you can see here, price developed another small pullback, which eventually we came out at the break even, and you can see here the price developed a double bottom. That's the good sign. We were watching in 4-hour, price developed a false breakout, and that's what I did, another analysis instantly once I see the pattern, as you can see here. And that's what I explained to my trader, the safest way to look for if the price is going to break the previous high. As you can see here, technically we were expecting the price should support this level, but as soon as the price broken, you can see here, beautiful, and for our first target around this area or previous level, which you can see here, that's the level, price nicely hit. And that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit, or some of the traders are still holding long, but we manage beautiful pips on EURUSD. As you can see how I analyze in 4-hour and refine entries and exit in intraday. That's what exactly we do every single day. All right, so let's move on to the pound dollar, guys. Let's see what's happening in 4-hour. Okay, in 4-hour this morning, and that's what we explained to trader, that we can see here inside candle patterns, right? That's the indecisions mode, you can see here, and price was at the support level, and that's what we explained to trader, price might going to respect or possibility of breakout. So that's what we analyze market in intraday. And the price, you can see here after this one, you can see here we have spinning top at this level. You can see here we have bullish engulfing candle. And if you look at here at the bottom, price developed a double bottom. We have long, beautiful this morning, bank beautiful pips, and we also had a counter short trade at this level. You can see here, and I explained to my trader, if the price gonna break this level, then we should be taking a short trade here. So we both have a long London morning session, and we have counter short trade at the New York session. All right, so let me share with you the journey from here to here of 4-hour in intraday. So if I look at the intraday, let me share with you guys. If you look at, this is the first analysis I did last night. I explained to my trader, The analysis, I said to you guys, if the price is going to respect this level, then we should be taking a pullback short trade here at this level. As you can see here, we haven't seen any red candle. Then I explained to trader, if we don't see the pullback, then breakout. But for the breakout, what we exactly looking, as explained to here in analysis, you can see here, if the price gonna break after the breakout, price retest, that's gonna give us the confirmation, then we should be taking, you can see here, price broken after the breakout, price retested. Beautiful. As always, the first target always be previous high, which price nicely hit, and explain to trader it's time to consider tightening your stop loss at the break even or enjoying PPP. So this is the analysis I did at the Asian session. We had a pullback long. And then in London morning session, as you can see, the momentum was developed bullish. We already had this pullback, and I explained to trader, as long as the momentum is bullish, keep taking a pullback. And then afterwards explained to trader, now it's time, if the price is going to break this sideways market, more likely we are expecting long, as you can see here, based on the momentum, and plus in 4 hour we have the bullish engulfing candle, because the 4 hour price action does help a lot when we are trying to take positions in intraday. As you can see here, price broken, and once the price broke the previous high 200 EMA, that's what we explained to trader, that's just keep taking a pullback, because a high probability trade, every time when the price hit to the orange EMA, you can see here previously how many times price respected here. So we had a 1 breakout and 2 pullback long trade here. Price literally hit this level, and as soon as the price hit in the sub resistance level in 4 hour, that's what we explained to trader, guys, enjoying pipping, it's the time to bank some profit. All right, so then I did another analysis at the New York session. That's what we're discussing with our traders, that price might going to respect this resistance, which is previously respected. And look at in the intraday, what sort of situation. That's what I explained to trader, look for this breakout, guys. You know, this is the recent high, this is the recent low. You can see here, this is the recent low, this is the recent high. And explain to trader, look for, if you look at here the price, you can see here what sort of candle is, that's give us the rejection. The safest way for us to look for this breakout as soon as the price gonna break, that's what we explain. So we have a counter short trade, and as always, price nicely hit to the previous level, which is broken. As you can see in my previous analysis here, price reached to the same level, and that's what we explained to trader, it's time to enjoying pipping, and more likely possibility price might gonna continue. But I finished my trading day and I said to my trader, it's done. You enjoyed, have good pips, let's enjoy the profit. All right, so let's move into the dollar CAD, guys. Dollar CAD, we had interesting moves. Okay, let's see in 4 hour, and I was expecting price might gonna, because respected here, might gonna take a long trade here. But that's most of the trader, because once we have this hammer, we explaining, you know, inverted hammer, so we said, okay, look, possibility of long. But what happened, let me share to you guys here. If you look at very carefully, you can see here first touch, second touch, third touch, so possibility of, that's why we have taken this short trade here and bank beautiful pips. We close our trade just before the high impact news for the CAD. So, and also you can see here at this level, and this is the news reaction, by the way. Now I'm going to show you all the analysis of intraday for dollar CAD. If you look at the dollar CAD, this is the analysis. This is the analysis I did at the Asian session for my Asian session trader. We have breakout. After the breakout, price nicely developed another pullback. As you can see, the 200 EMA in 4 hour, we can see here this inside the Bollinger Band, which is the 20 EMA in 4 hour, and it looks like that. That's what I explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit or put your stop loss at the break even. Some of them have bank profit, some of them came out at the break even. Okay, so afterwards, as you can see here, we have this pattern develop. We were looking if the price gonna break the previous high, long trade here, or if this one, which is technically based on the 4-hour, price nicely respected this resistance, and it's a good opportunity for short. We've taken a short trade here. First target here, second target. As soon as the second target hit, just before the news release, we banked beautiful pips on dollar CAD. Of course, we don't trade during the news, but after the news, price develop another pattern. That's what we explained to trader. We had one small pullback long, and I explained to traders still we have another high impact news for the dollar. Let's see here. So let's see how that's gonna go. So in 4-hour, price came back again to this level. You can see here triangle pattern. Let's see if the price is going to break today or tomorrow. We'll let you know, guys. Okay, so let me share with you the Asian session. The best trade we had it, that was the pound Swiss franc and the pound yen. Let me share with you the pound yen, guys, trade here. You can see here such a beautiful short trade here. Again, if you look at the 4-hour chart, we have, you know, price respected here and the respected here. We also had a long trade this morning. You can see here price nicely respected. We were long here and we banked some profit as soon as the price hit 200 EMA in 4-hour. But if you look at price respected, there is a resistance level. So after this candle, you can see a spinning top, beautiful rejection and short trade. We really enjoyed it. Let me share with you all the analysis of the pound yen just quickly, guys. Otherwise, I can show you all the pairs we really enjoyed today pipping. Okay, so this is the analysis. You can see here pretty straightforward. London morning session. At this level, you can see here price develop and explain to trader look for this breakout, because we were watching here at this level. So we have breakout. As long as momentum is bullish, keep taking, explaining to trader, enjoying. Open it, bank some profit, open it, bank some profit, as you can see here. So this was the, as soon as the price hit to the 100 EMA, and that's what we explained to trader, it's time to enjoying pipping, and let's see if we can get another pullback. Later on at the New York session, when I start my New York session, you can see here price develop. Look at, as explained to you, in 4-hour rejection. But in intraday, we had a head and shoulder pattern. You can see here shoulder, head and shoulder, and I explained to my trader look for previous high, which is already broken. The more safest trade if the price gonna break, and more safest trade would be after the breakout pullback. You can see here break and retest, and then target hit. First target always be the first pip channel. Then we have another pullback. Very risk reward point of view, very beautiful short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the support level, and that's what we explained to trader, guys, enjoying profit. So that's what we explain every single day live. That's the most important thing is right now I'm explaining you all the analysis which is performed, but the most interesting thing is when you watch all this analysis in the real time. That's the interesting game, guys. All right, so I'm just going to share quickly another one, pound Swiss franc, just quickly. We had an amazing trade here. Look at in here. What sort of candle is this one? We have beautiful rejection, and afterwards you can see here, if you look at here, this one previously broken, we have like a 1-week consolidation broken, and this is the retest, and you can see impulsive correction and looking for another impulsive. Let's see if we can get another pullback breakout tomorrow. But we really enjoyed today, to be honest, guys. We also had a long and we also had a short here. That's the beauty of intraday. If you know how to trade, and if you don't know, we can also teach you, and we're going to teach you through live. So it's not about historical price. That's the nonsense stories. The most important story is the live market. That's, you can see what works, what doesn't work. Learning through experience, always remember. Okay, so you can see here, this was the, even before that I had this analysis, I think. Yeah, that's the analysis at the New York, the Asian session, breakout, long trade, bank beautiful pips. Then at the London morning session, I explained to trader, momentum is bullish, so we should be taking a pullbacks. What happened here? Pullback. As soon as the price hit this 100 EMA, when the price reversing, it's time to trader, guys, enjoying pipping. That's the best time to enjoy profit. And then at the New York session, when I start my New York session 2 p.m. just before opening bell, and we look at the 4 hour, I say, guys, it looks like interesting opportunities performing because we can see some sort of rejection. Let's see if you can squeeze some, refine the entries. This is what we did. As you can see here, it's sort of like a head and shoulder pattern, but it's not clear. But again, 4 hour rejection, safest way to, if the price gonna break the recent low, which is broken, and you can see here price shoot down as soon as the price hit to the support level. I said to you guys, it's time to enjoying profit. So we have beautiful trades on pound dollar, pound yen, pound Swiss franc. So these are the trades of the day. Most of the traders bank amazing pips, 100 plus pips. All right guys, as you can see here, all these things happening. So I hope guys you enjoy all this analysis review. But as I keep telling you guys, the most important and interesting thing is you should watch all this analysis in real time and bank profit in the real time and develop your trading skill in real time. That's the major area I always focus to explain to my trader, that first thing you need to focus on developing your trading skill, learn the pure price action. Once you develop your skills, then there's a lot of opportunities there. We can also get you can also provide funding, trading funding from prop firms to all of our successful traders. So if you are interested how I help my traders through this platform in real time and how I help them to get funded, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So feel free guys. It's a free, completely free, no sales pitch. Only thing is I'm going to explain you how it works, and if you like it, you're most welcome. Join my community. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you've seen, this is purely price action, and most of the experienced traders is joined our team. Most are the swing traders. They liked our platform because they need entries and exit, and if they have any help needed, so that's why our job is to real time provide one analyst all the time. So during that session, if you need any help, you can ask. So if you're a experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're gonna enjoy pipping alongside with my professional trader. And we also welcome feedback from the professional traders to enhance the system and help other people to bank beautiful pips. So most welcome guys, join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, and until next time, all the best.